You are not broke, you are just restarting your money every month. And someone earning the same as you is moving ahead. Every month you restart. You try to save, something comes up and you go back to zero. Salary lands, debit orders fire, weekend spending creeps in. Savings gone. That's why you feel stuck even when your income increases. So in this video, I'm going to show you the simple budget system that actually works and how to turn your salary into savings and eventually a property deposit. And here is the mistake most people don't realize. You try to control spending after the money is already gone. So instead of trying to budget better, we are going to flip the system. I'll show you exactly why budgeting fails and what actually works instead. If you're new here, I'm Ekow, ex-investment banker turned legacy builder. I break down money systems so your salary actually turns into property. And right now, your system is working against you. Let me show you why. Budgets don't fail because you are bad with money. They fail because they fight how you actually behave. Think about it. Your salary comes in, debit orders go off first, then you live your life, and savings becomes if anything is left. You swipe, you regret, then you say, I need to budget better. Right now, you are funding your lifestyle before you pay your future. You are not budgeting, you are reacting. And this is where most people get it wrong. They think the solution is discipline. It's not. Quick one. What kills your budget first? Debit orders, weekends, or random spending? Comment below. Your entire month is decided in the first 24 hours. After payday, your money already has a destination, just not your future. Friday hits, money comes in, Uber Eats, weekend vibes, I deserve this. And by Monday, 2, 3, or even 5,000 rand is gone. Ignore this for a year, and that's 24,000 to 60,000 rand gone. That's your first property disappearing, and you don't even see it. That's not just money, it's time you don't get back. That's the difference between saving and getting stuck. That's not random, that's a system working against you. If you don't control day one, the month controls you. If you want the exact system written out, download my free Money Master PDF below. And this is where everything changes, because the solution is not budgeting. It's replacing it. So instead of budgeting, you replace it with this system, the income flow system. It's not how much you earn, it's the order your money moves. Most people do this: salary, bills, lifestyle, savings, zero. But the system flips it: salary, savings, bills, lifestyle. Same salary, completely different outcome. Right now, you are not burdened wealth, you are burdened bills. And that's why nothing changes. Money must move before you touch it. That's how you remove emotion and replace it with structure. And that one shift turns income into wealth. This is exactly how I structure my money before getting into property. But here's the problem. Even if you know this, your bank is still working against you. Your bank does not help you save. It helps you spend faster. It removes friction from spending and adds friction to saving. So guess what wins? Not your future. Tap to pay, instant. Saving, you have to think, decide, move money. One is automatic, the other relies on discipline. And everything that relies on discipline eventually breaks. If you don't build your own system, you lose by default. If this is already making sense, hit like. It tells me to go deeper on this. Now, here's where people lose the most money. Not in big decisions, but in small ones they repeat every day. You don't lose money in one big moment. You lose it in repeated patterns. 250 rand takeaways 4 times. 400 rand Uber rides. Small upgrades. It feels small, but it adds up to 1,000 to 2,000 rand every single month. Wealth isn't built in big decisions. It builds in patterns. Send this to someone who always says, I don't know where my money goes. Now, let's fix it. This is the part that changes your life, and it takes less than 5 minutes. Not tomorrow, not next month, today. Right now, your money is too easy to access. That's why you keep spending it. So unless you change that, you'll keep spending it. Open a second account, Time Bank, Capitec, or bank of your choosing. Set an automatic transfer on payday, then remove access. No card, no temptation. You've made savings automatic, not optional. Now watch this, how to turn your first savings into your first property. But before you go, you need this part. This is where most people break the system. They spend first and try to save later. So instead, use this. This is the structure most people never follow. 20% goes to your future, 50 to 60% goes to your living, and 20 to 30% is your lifestyle. Before you spend, your future is already paid. And if you are thinking, I can't do 20%, start with 5%, the system still works. Because the system matters more than the amount. This isn't budgeting. This is control. This is how you stop reacting and start building. Comment your salary range, 10, 20, 30K, and I'll show you how you structure it. Because this is where it starts, but this is not where it ends. Let me show you where this actually leads. 3,000 Rand a year, most people spend it. But if you don't, that's 36,000 Rand a year. Same salary, different outcome. One person spends it, the other turns it into a property move. That's the difference. This is how two people with the same salary end up with two completely different lives. Same salary, completely different future. One keeps restarting, the other builds wealth. And that decision starts with what you do next. If you are ready to turn your salary into property, download the Money Master PDF or WhatsApp Teach Me, details below. Next, watch this video on how to save your first 100K. I break it down step by step. Subscribe and be a legacy builder.